to Factomania Techs. This is Pravesh. Let's start with today's video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a paper folding origami tiffin box. Yes, a paper folding origami tiffin box. So now let's begin. First of all, I want to show you all the template to make the origami paper folding tiffin box. Tiffin boxes carry tiffin for you. It finds its place in your school bag, so you could make it origamically. Now, this is the template, step 1 to step 6. So you could pause it and see the template now. So let's start making it. The things you'll need is only one square sized paper. Yes, a square sized paper. Now, while beginning, step 1. Fold this square paper into two halves, two equal halves. Like this, make a good crease. Now open it. Now this is a crease. From the top, fold it till this crease. Put it down and fold it till this crease. Do the same with this one also. Bring it down and fold it to the crease. Now step 1 is over. Now from this corner, bring it little till here. Suppose till here. Bring it little like this and make a crease. Do the same with all the 4 corners. See, these two should be somewhat same in size. Now turn it again. Do it with this one also. Now I've done it. Now this was the second step. Now bring this upper part folded paper upwards. Fold it again upwards like this, keeping that triangular shaped part downside. Now again this part also fold it upward. Follow it like this. So this was your third step. Now this center line, imaginary line from here to here, these two lines, you should fold it this inside. Yes, inside like this. Make a crease. Do it with this part also. Now this was your fourth step. Now while opening it, you will get the tiffin box. See, opening the corners nicely and making a crease again. Opening this one, second corner, making a crease. Opening this third corner and again making a crease, and opening this finally the last one, the fourth corner. So see, it's pretty good, like a tiffin box 3D view. See, you can keep anything over here, anything, food, something like that. It's pretty cool. Yeah, you could decorate it, keep your beauty items, keep your pencils, keep your things and all over here. It's also pretty like this one also. Here some of the food items are kept, but here you could make it easily. I've given you the template. So Hope you have liked this video. For more such interesting videos, facts and tips, please do subscribe, share this video and also like it. Till then, thank you.